Hi guys, so today we are going to make deep fried fish. So we're going to need two mixtures. The first one, we're going to need 3 eggs, a tomato sauce, also fresh milk, and mustard sauce. If you don't have mustard sauce, you can also use mayonnaise. And on our second mixture, we're going to need flour, and we're also going to need turmeric powder for color. It helps for coloring. And we're also going to need a chicken spice, and we're going to need barbecue spice, and also fish spice, very important. We can just start by mixing our flour with our spices. So we can just put an amount of maybe 3 or 2 spoons, depending on the amount of fish that you're gonna be using to make our deep fried fish. Gonna continue mixing, adding up our spices. I really like measuring. I just measure with my head. I don't know who else does that, but I find this very normal and it ends up tasting very nice. So I'm just gonna mix and add turmeric for color. Don't forget turmeric, guys. And yeah, more spices, not too much though. So we are done, and you guys can see that it changed color. It's no longer white. Okay, now we're doing our second mixture, our egg mixture. We are going to be breaking 3 eggs. I'm going to be using 3 eggs because I'm going to be doing quite a lot of fish. So yeah, just gonna mix everything, and we're gonna put milk. And after putting fresh milk, we're also going to put tomato sauce. And because I don't have mustard sauce, I'm going to be using mayonnaise just to give it a creamy taste. And so you can just continue mixing everything. And also gonna need lemon, and let's not forget mayonnaise as well. Okay, so now our egg mix looks like this, a little bit of like orangish, yellowish, I don't know. Yeah, and then now continuing, we are going to need our cleaned baby hakes. They have to be clean, guys. Okay, now here they look like, very clean. I cleaned them out of camera, but you can see that they're clean. So now we're starting with our process. We have to dip in our baby hake inside our egg mix before we can put it on our flour mix. So now we're just gonna have to make sure that our hands are dry, and then so we can spread the whole of the flour on the fish, so we can have like enough flour on the fish. As I'm doing it, you guys have to literally just do it like this, because we're gonna need enough of this flour mix. Okay, so just gonna do another baby hake just the same way, and we're gonna also do the same process. Prepare our flour, prepare space for it, and everything. Okay, simple like that, guys. So now we are going to put our fish in our prepared hot oil. I'm going to cook it 5 minutes on the one side, then flip it, cook it 5 minutes on the other side.